Good afternoon and good morning, everyone. I'm not able to be with you today, but I want to make sure that you know exactly what your assignment is for today. So, if you will go to the class, and whether you're English 4 honors, you're going to go to today's class and you're going to go to your assignments. So click on assignments and you're going to scroll down to today's upcoming assignment, which is 9/22, because today is September 22nd, and it's the history of the English Church. Okay, so yesterday we began it. Today we are continuing and completing that portion. So you're going to click on this assignment and it will show you what you have to do. So, of course, please view the presentation and complete the assignment according to the instructions. Please be sure to complete your assignment today. This will be for both your attendance and, of course, for a grade. So here's the link for the reading portion for today. But let's just start you off. First of all, in the presentation. Of course, happy Tuesday to you and good morning. So you're going to take a moment to view and think. Right here is an image. So this is an image of Caedmon, an English poet that Bede wrote about. What ideas about Caedmon are conveyed through this image? What do you think Bede thought of him and why? So what details can you see or find in this image that make you have thoughts about what Bede may have felt or thought about Caedmon? So look here and see what you think or how you may feel, because if someone painted an image of you like this, what would it say about how they felt about you? Okay, so after you've thought about that, I want you to go ahead and write that in this document. So you'll go ahead, click here. It'll force you to make a copy of the document. And this is where you will record your response. So again, it gives you the instructions as well as the questions. Please look at the image on slide 2, which we just saw, and answer the questions, and here's your response. So you write your response here. Now, after you've written your response, you're going to go to the text included in today's lesson on Canvas, okay? And that will be the reading, the Venerable Bede, and a history of the English Church. When you have finished reading both of these sections, the Venerable Bede and the history of the church, then on the last page, the 6th page, is the PDF document and section called After Reading. And then you're going to answer 8 questions: the comprehension, the clarify, the text analysis, drawing conclusions, analyzing author's purpose, um, I apologize, guys, author's purpose, um, historical writing, applying themes, etc. Okay, so you'll see these prompts also in the reading. So let's get you back to that reading. So after you've answered the questions, then you'll go back here, and here is the reading portion. So, of course, it will download here in the left of your screen. You'll open that, and here's the text for today. Okay, so you're just reading these pages, and afterwards you're answering these questions. And you'll notice comprehension, the 2 recalls and the clarify, text analysis, and text criticism. So it'll be 8 in all. So these will be your prompts. Just answer these questions back on that Google document. And that is it for today. Thank you all so much, and I hope you all have an amazing day today.